it's Jesly here, and we're in front of the New Yorker by 34th and 8th Avenue, and we're going to take you on a little tour to school. Come with us. Alright guys, so we're down at the subway station, and here you guys will be able to take the E train to get you to 5th Ave and 53rd Street, which will be our first stop, which is Townhouse. Alright guys, so we are now in the Townhouse, and as you guys saw, the E train is right across the street. And it's a small little walk, nothing to worry about. And now we're going to take you guys to 5th Avenue, and it's only around a 15-minute walk. Alright everyone, so we're now in the 5th Avenue building. This building is a little bit more hard to find because there are no LIM banners, but when you get to the building, you walk up to the elevators, click the 7th floor, which is our LIM floor, and you use your ID to get in, and that would be where your classes are. We're now heading to Maxwell, which is a straight walk down, and that would be in 45th and 3rd. Building, Maxwell Hall. This is usually where all the student life activities are located, and we also have a cafe inside the building, which is called Pickle & Co., where if you guys want a coffee or anything to eat, you guys can get it right there. Also, if you guys are wondering where your class is located, when you look at your schedule, it should either start with a 05, a 45, or a 53, which indicates each street each building is located in. Thank you guys so much for coming in this tour, and we hope to see you guys in the fall.